Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to create an electrical plan in Revit. So we have our level 4 plan here in project browser. I'll duplicate the view using duplicate with detailing. I'll then rename it as level 1 electrical. Then I'll go to change the discipline to electrical. This will now gray out the walls. So after that, I'll go to system. To load the sockets and the switches, I'll need to go to device. Now I'll click on load family. Then in load family, I need to look for the electrical folder. Open the electrical folder and go to architectural, go to electrical power and terminal. So here we have all the sockets and the switches that we need to place on our model. So we'll start with the sockets first. I'll go with the double outlets. I'll open the outlets, place one here. Okay, so I have some of this loaded to my project already. So I'll just go to the type property to select some of them. Okay, to place outlets, I'll place one here, another here, and one around here. This side, I'll place this one here, here, and here. This room also needs 2 outlets. This one here. The kitchen needs one here, and also a range outlet. So go again to load family, load the range outlet, place it somewhere around the range. I'll look for the range. Single range, place a range outlet here. And for the bathroom, we need the GFI outlets. We go to load family, select GFI. And load that into the model. I'll place it here. So that is it for the outlets. After placing the outlets, we need to start placing our lights. So go back to system, click on light fixtures, go to load families, go back and look for the lighting folder. I have the lighting folder here. Architectural, internal light. So the light that I would like to select here is like to select a spotlight. Yes, it's down spotlights will be place this one here, here. Now select all 4 lights and copy them to the living area. Copy some to the corridor and then to the dining and also the kitchen. So there are some lights that I don't really want in this plan. I'm just going to delete them. Like this one. For the shop, I'm going to copy these two here. So after placing our light, the next thing we need to place are the switches. So we'll go to system, go again to device, load family, go to the electrical folder, architecture and electrical power, then terminals. So we need a three-way switch and a single switch. Click on open. So I'm first going to place a single switch somewhere here. Place another one. One will go here. Yeah. I want to add a lighter. I think now after placing that, I'll need to place a three-way switch. Go to three-way. I like to place one here. And yeah. One here. One here. So after placing all our switches, we now have to connect the wires. So go here to wire, click here, move to this other side to connect to this one. So the connection has to go in a loop. Just like this to this one, and this one to this one, this one to this one, and this to this one. Okay, so this one also be connected to this one. This one is connected to this one. So for the kitchen, we're also going to place the wires around wire and place them here. Connect them in a loop. So basically, this is how you create an electrical plan in Revit. If you have any question, write me in the comment section below.